guys, welcome back to my channel, and here is my uni accommodation tour. If you know to which accommodation I'm going, please do not write it down. I will put the name of my accommodation once I've moved out at the end of this school year. Enjoy! Okay, so the first thing that we see when we enter is obviously the door. So I'm just gonna give you the view that I have from my door. Okay, that's what we see. So on the left we have my box right here. Here we have the first pair of my shoes. I wanted a shoe organizer, but none went left in the IKEA, so I like when things are organized, but I had no choice. So I have some shoes here, and I have my other part of shoes here. So here we have everything that we had when we got a studio. So cleaning supplies. On this side we have some of my coats, some are in my wardrobe, but yeah, I like having some there, and I like having this thing here. And next to that we have my dryer. I like the shape of it because it does not take a lot of space, so that's pretty cool. When we turn we have my wardrobe. When we open on the first side I have obviously some clothes. There's not really an organization here. I think it's okay space. I don't feel like I have like that much space, but at the end of the day, like, it's completely, you know, I know that some people have no space at all, so I have more storage here. When we turn we have my window, the rest of my room's here, and here we have my desk. So I'm really happy with my desk. I think it's so big and so beautiful. I don't know, and I like having it close to the window because at least there's natural light. So first we have those shelves. I don't really have a lot of things on them because I did not come with a lot of things. So right here I have some books that I've bought here. Here is just some pictures that my family just gifted me. A bag, my laptop pockets. I have everything for my Switch inside of there, and I have a fake plant because I like the vibe. Okay, here are some pictures that I've printed and put there. It took me a lot of times. Here I have my essential oil diffuser. I don't think I've ever used it since I've been here, but it's here, you know. Still one fake plant, some medicine, a mirror to do my makeup. Hi, I always put some jewelry on that. Then I just have some cables, my laptop, my second screen. You'll always see the coffee that I've not finished here, my iPad, my little chair. It's green. I don't like true green. There's a lot of green inside this room, so I just bought this little thingy so that it's softer, and I like it. What's really cool is that I have the chance to put my bags here and there, so that way nothing's on the floor. In the first drawer we have my makeup, some hair products, some pills for when I'm sick, my little machine to do my nail polish, yeah, some makeup palettes, lipstick, brushes, and more makeup. In the second one I have some journals, some diaries, some pencils, just highlighters, my midliners. I think it's like kind of my school related stuff. And the next one I'm not going to show because it is way too dirty. Just put everything that I don't want right now. So when we turn we have my window. It's really sunny today, cool. I have my daily planner here, and I have a little box because I found it cute, and I just have cameras related things. So when we turn we have a different view now. I call this my side table because it's close to my bed. So I have some t-shirts, I do have some medicine, I do have my AirPods here, just grab it on the way, and the book that I'm currently reading. Then we have my bed. She's comfortable, I like her. And I'll have this thing that is hiding almost because you can still see it on the neon green. I don't like this color, so yeah, it is not in the right direction. Why, you may ask? because sometimes it falls on me. And the last time it fell on me, I did not put it in the right direction, and I'm waiting for it to fall back to just put it in the correct direction because I'm that lazy, okay? That's my little bed. I love her, and what's cool is that I have a lot of storage spaces. So I have 2 little boxes like that. Some are clothes, some are like towels, some have like my other sheets. There's my big coat in that. Yeah, a lot of clothes related things. But as you can see, there's actually more. So this little box right here is full of lentils, canned lentils, because I could not find them in the store, so I just bought some. In this box it's like a storage food for some things that I have, like, I don't know, coffee bag, something like that. And beyond that we have my suitcase and my bag to travel. So yeah, that's fun. Let's move from my bed, shall we? So opposite to my bed here, we have a TV that I never use because I don't want to pay for the TV. So yeah, here we have a little box with all the things that I want to take with me each time I leave. So a mask, my keys, my university ID, and my wallet. Here we have my yoga mat and some of my weights, an umbrella because we're in England, some masks, and that's something for my camera that I'm using right now. So we have my kind of cloth organizer where I put my dirty clothes, which I'm gonna clean. Then I have a chair. Why, you may ask? Well, because there's actually 2 chairs and no space to put them, so I just always have one here when I want to put stuff on it, like my clothes or anything. And here we have my big mirror that I really love, and I've just hung some tote bags because I don't know where to put them. So yeah, just have them here. Sorry for my outfit, they're not making an effort. You can see that it's the weekend, okay? So yeah, that's my bed part. That was my desk part. I just love this view, honestly, just so cool with all the pictures. That's my bed part, and now we have my kitchen part. I'm extremely lucky to have my own kitchen, and I actually have my own washing machine and dryers. So privileged, I'm so happy. So the first part is this part. This is normally what I'm supposed to eat, hence the chair. Yes, in a weird space, I know, I'll just keep moving it because if I put it here, I cannot open my fridge. That's weird, I don't know, never put it here. So here I have some stuff. Right here there's my bin. There's the red little box that I used to put all the recycling things. And yes, I should go and dump all of that. I know, okay? I know, I'm gonna do it. So when we turn, right here I have a lot more food, such as my fruits. I have my cups, I have things to clip when I open something. I have my mixer that I love very, very much. I think I got it in Tesco. I have my kettle, I have my toaster. That was with the room, so cool. I have my microwave that is very tiny. It does not look that tiny, but honestly it is. On the top of my microwave I have some salt, some peppers, and some tea bags. Right down we have my fridge and my freezer. That's my freezer, that's my fridge. Not gonna open because it's so not organized. So on top of that, the first box, they're both from IKEA, is like pasta, rice, chips, crisps, thing like that. On the next one it's more sugary things such as peanut butter, my coffee, agave syrup, some cocoa powder, things like that. When we move, this is where I got my food. So I have 4, which is so cool. And no, it's not dirty. The person before me just, I don't think, used it properly because it looks like it's dirty all the time, but I clean it so much, so no. Kinda sad, but it's okay. Then I have my oven. I'm so happy to have one. When you move, I have this little thing from IKEA. I think you can just, yeah, you could have guessed because everyone has that. And I just have some utensils here. I have my little coffee maker. This is where I clean everything. obviously clean my dishes and dry them before this video, okay? I like to be prepared. So here we have my washing machine and my dryer. So happy that I have one. And here and there I have more storage. So on the top I do have some boxes in here, some other boxes in here, such as my bento box. I have my protein powders, my granola, a bit more of sugar. And when I open, ta-da-da, this is almost where I keep everything. I don't know, I like it. I think it's cute. I just like seeing all of my little mugs, my bowls, and just, yeah, what I used to make my coffee. I had this thing from IKEA to just put all of my cutlery and some more storage for when I have some leftovers. I don't know, I like this side. I think it's cute, just the colors of the mug, okay? That's cute. But as you can see, this cannot fit inside of my microwave. That's really stupid. I should have thought of that before buying those. And on this side we have some cleaning products and some cooking products, such as olive oil and just some spices. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here, and it really smells funny when I open it because of all the spaces. And now we have my bathroom. So I have this big door. It's so big. So that's what you see when you enter. I don't keep my bathing mat on the floor because when I moved here I had silverfish. Really not fun, really not. I just found so many of them alive on my other bathing mat, so I just threw it away, bought a new one, and I'm never laying it on the floor, only when I'm taking a shower. I don't have any more, but yeah, don't really feel comfortable just walking barefoot here. So that's my bathing mat, as I've showed you. That's my door. I just put my towels here. So here I have my big mirror. I'm really lucky to have a white light. It's not yellow, so yeah, it's a pretty light for a bathroom. I'm also really lucky to have 2 mirrors. So that's my hand towel. This box is still from IKEA. I have my skincare. Just have my hand soap, my makeup remover, some cotton balls, my toothbrush, my hairbrush, and I also have more storage here, which is cool. So let's open this baby. It's not really practical to put a lot of things, like it's not organized at all, as you can see, but it's working, you know what? So I have some skincare products, I have some reusable cottons, some cream, some dry shampoo, razors, another brush, something to kill silverfish. Probably not should put that with all of that stuff, but yeah. Another brush, a mask, my cup, some bubble shampoo, and just hair stuff right here. Let's close that up. And when you turn, you have my toilets. So I have my bin right here. I do have some paper toilet there and some things to clean my toilets there. And when we turn, we have my shower. Look how big that is. I really thought my shower would not be cool, but hey, I'm so lucky. So you have this little hanger things to put my shower stuff in here. I do have my shampoo here and my hair mask is there. And yeah, it just closes. So cool. So that's all for my room. It is a studio, so it is quite small, but I'm quite lucky, honestly. I'm really happy there. Really felt like home. So yeah, I just love being here. I just want to address that if you know which accommodation this is, please do not put it. Please do not write it down. I will put the name of the accommodation once I leave and move at the end of the school year. So yeah, for now, let's keep a bit of privacy, but afterward I will tell you. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in a new one. Bye!